Hello, young artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have an exciting adventure in store for you as we draw a realistic rainbow-shaped pocket toy. Are you ready? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and we'll begin by drawing two fluffy clouds at both ends. These clouds will be the guardians of our colorful creation.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
Next, it's time to sketch our beautiful rainbow. It will gracefully connect the clouds, just like a bridge of color in the sky. You can make it as big and bright as you like.
All through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
For the top row of our poppet, let's add 10 delightful circles. Each one will be a burst of color and fun.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men.
Now, in the middle row, we'll include 7 more circles to make our pop it even more fascinating.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty
And for the final row at the
had a great
bottom, we'll
fall.
complete
All
our
the
poppet
king's
with
horses
5
and all the
circles.
king's men.
Our drawing is really taking shape now. But wait, we're not done yet. To make our design really stand out, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our trusty black marker.
The clocks are gone, the mouse turned round. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. A tisket, a tasket, a green and
Now,
yellow
for the most
basket,
exciting part,
I wrote
adding
a
colors to our
letter my
rainbow-shaped
love,
poppet,
and
let's
on
dive
the
right
way I
in.
dropped it.
We're going to give our
Dropped it,
rainbow
I
its classic
dropped
look,
it, and on
starting
the
with
way
red
I
color.
dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
Next
And
up,
if
we
that
have the bright and cheerful
mockingbird
orange
don't
color.
sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Followed by the sunny
Now
yellow
I
color.
know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
The lush green color comes
T, U, V,
next.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
Then,
swish,
it's
swish,
time for the
swish.
serene blue
Wipers
color.
on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on
And the
bus
majestic
goes beep,
purple
beep,
color.
beep, all the town. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
We can't forget the lovely pink color.
Humpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Hickory-dickory-dock.
A splash of yellow color once more.
The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew.
Awesome!
And there you have it, my budding artists. Our rainbow-shaped pop, it is now bursting with vivid colors, just waiting to bring joy to your day. Keep creating, coloring, and exploring the world of art. Your creativity knows no bounds. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.